What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'll be showing you how to install LibreELEC on the newly released Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the latest version of LibreELEC USB SD Creator. I'll leave the links in the description. Next, you need to make sure Raspberry Pi 2 and 3 is selected under version. For the image, you want to select 8.2.4 or higher. If you choose a version older than this one, you will come across compatibility issues. Now you can click download, or you can select file if you downloaded it previously. This is what I will be doing here. For step 3, select your SD card and then click write. Remember, this will delete everything, so only click yes if you agree. Once you see writing done, you can close out of the program and safely eject your SD card. You can then plug it into your Raspberry Pi to finish the setup process. Upon the first boot up, you're going to have to set the settings the way you like it, and then you can continue to install add-ons. Make sure to check out my website for helpful tutorials, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.